Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeover. So today I'm going to be showing you how to tie this very simple yet elegant bridal turban tutorial. So this is me showing you how many yards of turban of raw silk I'm going to be using. This raw silk is 2.5 yards, the pure raw silk. So basically my model name is Naja'atu. First of all, my model's name is Naja'atu, and I'll be tying this on her. We already did the makeup, so I decided to show you guys how we tied this. This turban was inspired by Elziza's makeup studios. She's up on Instagram. I saw her tie this. I think I've tied this turban before, but I saw it on her page today, and I've decided to just show you guys how I do my own version of this turban. So as you can see, I did a 40-60 measurement. So I placed it on top of her head and then pleated the front of the hair tie. And as you can see, I'm just trying to locate where I started with the turban, like where the pleat started. I'm going to start to locate that from the side of the raw silk. Can you see? Trying to locate that, and yeah, I just did. I'll bring that up and also do the other side, and then make sure my pleats are well laid. I'm just going to pick that up. I'm just going to tie that simply like this, and I'll pick up the other one. This is Elziza Studios hand. She's trying to guide me on how she tied it. So I'm going to tie this. I'll just flip that, tie it at the top, and then boom, you have your elegant hair tie now. So I'm just going to bring out that one and then create my own ruffle. Just watch how it goes. And this hair tie is as easy as anything. It's very simple. You can tie it on yourself, you can tie it on your model, you can tie it. Just see how cute this looks. Imagine tying this for Christmas. Oh my god, this will look very beautiful. So guys, this is me trying to fix the pin. I'm just going to fold that. See the way I'm going to be placing my pin from the back, then I'll tack it down like that. I'm going to arrange the top of the turban like this, then I'm going to tack the other side of this too, and then use the pin to hold it down, and voila, this is the first ruffle. I'm going to bring in up the other handle of the hair tie. And also, if this is how the hair tie is not big, if the hair tie was not very long, you can just get a very cute and small ruffle. I decided to make my own a little bit bigger to show you guys you can go bigger, and also you can make it smaller. If you want it, you can just compress the hair tie and make it look a little bit tighter like this. If you want to, when you're compressing it like this or you're arranging your ruffles, you can make it a little bit tighter. I've decided to tuck this one in and also use a pin to hold it down. So this is it guys. I'm going to be using a pin to tack it down now. Yeah, so after tacking that down, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my videos. January 2023, I have plans for you guys. I'm tired of saying this, but let's see how it goes. Inshallah, if Allah spares our lives to that time, I'm going to bring in up new things, new videos and all of that. So this is it guys. This is what we have brought down to you guys today. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to share this video. I love you so much. So sorry about that, excuse me. I love you so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers. I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye.